Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install package files that are over 4 GB in PS3. As you know, PlayStation 3 only reads FAT32 format USB and you cannot transfer files that are longer than 4 GB. So first plug in your USB and then go to this PC and make sure to take out all the important files from the USB. Change the file system to NTFS and click start. OK. Now it's done. Click close. Here I have a package file that is 8 GB, as you can see. Now we can transfer this to our USB. Wait until it's finished. Now let's go to PS3. Now go enable your hand. Now plug in your USB and then go to MultimMan. Now go to main menu. Now go all the way to the left and go until you see switch to MultimMan mode. Press X. Now go to File Manager and go to the left down corner. Press X and then go to FPFS driver. Press X. And now it's scanning our NTFS USB. Now go to PS3 root. And as you can see, there's our USB. Go to USB 000. Now press X twice. Now press circle and copy it. Go back and go to dev HDD0 and then go to package and you can paste it here. Press X. Once it's done, make sure to remember the package file name and exit the MultimMan. You can remove the USB now and go to package manager, go to install package file, go to PS3 system storage and you can find it here. Here it is. Now press X. And now it's done, and as you can see, it's downloaded. So that's it for today guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friend for more video like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.